was trying to look all professional and competent then taking that down, but it didn't quite work. But I wanted to do it fast because, as you could probably hear, the traffic. I live on the main road and I didn't want to look inside my bar, so I ended up bending the screw with that, but at least I got it off anyway. So I'll show you what it is. This has been my house sign for the last 6 years. It's an old, it's the inside of an old industrial washing machine. And I made it on the 3rd of April 2016. I know because I put it on a picture on my Facebook, so I've just had a look to see when I made it. So it's been out there about 6 years and it needs a bit of a tidy up. So it's 100% out of a washing machine. So this is what it consists of. This is the part where the drum used to spin. The springs, I think they came off this piece. They hold that in place when it's moving, so it gives it some movement and it doesn't shake your washing machine to pieces. And then the numbers, this was the side of the washing machine, so it was white on the outside, so I cut that out with some tin snips, and then the numbers I cut out with the same piece, but I turned them round so the white piece is touching the white piece there, and then I just siliconed them together, and that's all I did with it. Oh, then I drilled 3 holes there, and there for holding the springs. So I'm going to give it a clean up and put it back up. It's like an old magnet, but that's been on there since I put it on there. So that's kept its magnetism for 6 years. As you saw, I bent that getting it out. I was a little bit impatient with it. But pair of pliers, I sorted that out. As Bob from Western Supermare says, you can never have too many pliers. I must use some old copper pipe as spacers when I first put it up. I think I put it behind there because it wasn't touching the wall. I'm probably going to have to make a couple more of them. I'm just going to use good old emerite. I used that the other day. It's got skin on it already. Yes, it's mine. And the soldier cried. Get rid of them. I'll do the back first. I don't suppose I really need to do the back, but it'll just protect it. That's rubber, that must have been a rubber seal. Right, I'm just going to let that dry now. I'm not going to do anything at all with the springs, I've decided. I could have cleaned them up, but I think they'll look alright like that. And even if I do clean them up, they'll go like that again anyway. So, yep, that's it. I'm just going to leave that to dry until tomorrow. And then what I'll do, I'll offer it up to the wall, cut some more of these, cut some more of this copper pipe, so that, you know, so it stands off the wall like it did before. Get some new screws, replug it and refit it. Right, I'll see you tomorrow. Right, it's actually 2 days later, so this is nice and dry now. I got stuck on a job yesterday and I didn't get home till late, so I couldn't finish it yesterday. So I'm going to try and finish it now. Right, first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut 3 40mm lengths for this chrome pipe to use as my spacers. It's alright, we're just making sure that we're in camera shot. There you go. 3 spacers. Right, that's just about lifted it off the table, the back, so that should be alright when I put it up on the wall. There we go, one unique house number restored, probably good for another 6 years, well maybe another 60 years. Thanks for watching, see you again, bye.